In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Framer account. If you've decided you no longer need your account, or you're just cleaning up old profiles, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along easily. First, make sure you're logged into your Framer account in your browser. Once you're on the Framer interface, look towards the top of the page for a small arrow icon. This arrow usually appears near your profile area or workspace controls. Go ahead and click on that arrow. Think of this as opening a small menu that gives you access to more account options and settings. After you click the arrow, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option labeled Your Account. This is where Framer keeps all of your personal account settings, including security, billing, and of course, the option to delete your account. Click on Your Account to open your account settings page. Once you're inside the account settings, take a moment to look around if you want to double check anything, like billing information, active subscriptions, or connected projects. If you have any important projects or files you might need later, this is a good time to back them up or export anything you want to keep, because deleting your account is usually permanent and may remove access to your content. Now, on this same account settings page, look for a button or link that says Delete Account. It may be located near the bottom of the page or grouped with other advanced or security-related options. When you've found it, click on Delete Account. This action tells Framer that you're requesting to permanently remove your account. After clicking Delete Account, you'll typically see a confirmation prompt. This step is there to prevent accidental deletions, since once your account is gone, it can be difficult or impossible to restore your data. Read any message that appears on screen so you understand what will happen next. When you're sure you want to continue, click on the final delete button. That's it. Your deletion request will be processed, and your Framer account will be removed according to their policies. Remember, before doing this, always make sure you've saved anything important.